guys. So if you didn't already know, I am a fangirl. Now, what is a fangirl? Let's define this. And for this purpose, I need to go find the Urban Dictionary. Urban Dictionary for the win! So, what the Urban Dictionary has to say, a fangirl is a rabid breed of human female who is obsessed with either a fictional character or an actor, similar to the breed of a fanboy, have been known to glomp, grope, and tackle when encountering said obsessions. Hello, mate. Whee! Immediately attaches herself to Hugh Jackman's leg. Security! So basically that's what a fangirl is. Someone who is obsessed with someone who is fictional or an actor or... yeah. So as you guys know, or may not know, I am a fangirl. One of the many things, probably one of the first things that I have ever fangirled over is Loki Leveson. First of all, let me start with Loki, okay? I have always loved the bad guys in stories. Don't know why. It's a weird trait of mine. I just love the bad guys. They're just so epic, and no matter if they die or anything, they're just cool. So I went to my friend's house and we watched Thor for the first time. Tom Hiddleston's face comes up on the screen and I practically fainted. You see, okay, Loki is just amazing. Character is so what a bad guy should be. He has the dark, sleek black hair that just... Okay, he has the pale skin and those big British eyes that are just, oh my word, gorgeous. He is British, if I didn't mention that. Makes him so much better. And he's just an epic bad guy. He is mischievous. Loki Leveson is the god of mischief, so he's mischievous. He is just amazing, and I can't tell you how much I love that character. Okay, number 2 is Tom Hiddleston, the actor who plays him. Tom Hiddleston is a beautiful man. If you didn't already know that, you should know it, because I'm going to tell you right now, he is a gorgeous man. Okay, when I went to Comic-Con in 2012, I was praying that Tom Hiddleston would be there. Sadly, he wasn't there, but I did get something of his. 3 Loki shirts. Alrighty, I'm going to show you them. This is one of them. It says, Loki's army, join now or kneel mortals. That mortals is not coming out. Chillin' like a villain. That one's pretty cool. I love that one. This is the other one. It's basically the awesome old comic book one. Journey into Mystery with the Mighty Thor. And then Loki's standing right there. And then he says Thor and Loki. And then Thor's like, why? Those are my awesome Loki, like, proclamations of loving Loki. Basically, I fangirl over that a lot. Like, a ton, all the time. My friend, she knows I love Loki, so she got me for Christmas she got me Thor, but not only just Thor, she got me Thor Blu-ray. So I can watch pretty much every behind-the-scene feature, which I love behind the scenes, by the way. Behind the scenes are even sometimes better than the actual movie. One of the other bad guys I have to mention who I love is the Onceler from the Lorax, okay? He is pretty cool. He wears green just like Tom Hiddleston does as Loki, and he has this epic craving for money. He's a greedy person, which is also what a bad guy should have. Sad thing is, he is animated, and you can only go so far with animated characters. You can't actually meet them. They don't exist. Sadly, and the actor, I'm sorry, is not as attractive as the Onceler is. But it's okay. Okay, another one of the bad guys that I love is Jim Moriarty from Sherlock, BBC's Sherlock. It is amazing. He is such a great actor. Oh my gosh. The actor is Andrew Scott. He is incredibly attractive. He has this epic, like, portrayal of a psychotic villain that's just psychotic and crazy and insane, and at the same time knows what he wants, and just all his facial expressions just make the screen explode. Okay. So those are kind of my top 3 bad guys, but really I just love bad guys. But you know what? The good guys are good too. I mean, I probably should like them good. I probably should like them, and I do. I just tend to like the bad guys more. Don't judge. So what do you guys think about fangirling and the bad guys? Like, are you guys a hero lover or a villain lover? Like, I'm cool with either one, but do you tend to go for more the villains or the heroes? I'm totally cool with that. Let's have a little mini discussion in the comment section below. I will reply to your comments and we can totally explode my video with comments and discussions about fangirling. So, also, what type of stuff do you guys fangirl over? I mean, like, there's TV shows, there's movies, there's books, there's so many more things, and just saying, those 3 villains are not the only things I fangirl over. No siree. I fangirl over way more things. So, yeah, just tell me in the comment section below what you guys fangirl over and who you like better, villain or superhero. I'm cool with either. Let's just talk, man. Send me messages, ask me requests for videos, do all that you do. This crazy hyper Carrie is about to go. So thank you for watching Carrie-tastic's new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. So comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and like this video if you liked it. And follow me on Twitter also, and like my page on Facebook, and talk to me, guys. So I will see you guys later. See ya. Bye, guys. Yeah. Bye, guys.